Looking for a healthy, easy chocolate and peanut butter cookie recipe? Well, I've got you covered. I'm excited to share my recipe to this super easy 5-ingredient vegetarian double chocolate peanut butter cookie. This cookie recipe is so easy to make and is only 65 calories per cookie and contains 2 grams of protein per cookie. These cookies are so chocolatey, moist, and use all natural ingredients. For healthy recipes and science-based and practical weight loss advice from a registered dietitian, me, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Thursday. My name is Adrienne. I'm a registered dietitian with a Master of Science in Nutrition, certified diabetes educator, and a healthy weight loss coach. I've helped thousands of people with their healthy eating and weight loss goals over the years, and I've been awarded the 2021 Consumer Choice Award for Registered Dietitian and Weight Loss Management. This double chocolate peanut butter cookie is seriously delicious. You won't be disappointed. With only 5 simple ingredients and combines everyone's favorite 2 foods, chocolate, actually double chocolate, and peanut butter. It is completely vegetarian and it's only 65 calories per cookie. And did I mention it's super delicious and super easy to make? Dark chocolate hummus gives the cookies a super moist, chocolatey taste, and peanut butter adds healthy fats, protein, and tastes delicious. Let's get started. Let me know in the comments what you thought about my 5-ingredient vegetarian double chocolate peanut butter cookie. For easy and delicious weight loss recipes to get you started, check out my free recipes, go to adriennerd.com or click the link in the description below my video to get my recipes. Check out these other videos to get more tips and recipes on healthy weight loss from me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell button, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.